Hello everyone and welcome to this week's vlog. Now, as you can tell, we're not in the studio for once, which makes probably quite a nice change because we are off somewhere for a bit of inspiration. We are on our way to York and we're going to go to the Viking Museum because you have got an event in August, haven't you?
Yeah.
Tom's going to be doing a soapbox race
Yeah.
called Crazy Races.
August the 9th.
August the 9th, so be there or be square if you want to show some support for the Viking Tom. So because obviously it's going to be Viking themed, he needs a Viking outfit basically. So we thought we'd have a day trip to York. We're going to go to the Viking Museum, get a bit of inspiration and just, yeah, have a bit of fun hopefully. So we thought we'd bring you along with us and hopefully we can all have a nice day together. By the way, if we haven't met before and you're new to the channel, this is the Kerry Louise edit. My name is Kerry, this is my husband Tom, aka Viking Tom. You can go to his channel too if you are new and you haven't come over from there. And I like to sew things basically. If you want to keep up to date with the latest and behind the scenes of the channel, then feel free to find me on Instagram. Okay, so we've just had a quick stop at some services. What are these? I was putting my hands behind it. I was like, what does this do? That's weird.
Beautiful bridge.
This bridge is so pretty. Oh, wow. There's a unicorn. We're booked on for the 12:30 slot, which is about an hour and a half away, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to have a little wander around and see what the beautiful place of York has to offer. Got to have a little look in here whilst we're waiting to go into the museum. I was going to say look at the chainmail, but you could just see me. So gutted this shop is shut. It's got some amazing things inside. Oh, I would have loved to have gone in there. Oh, maybe another time. Gorgeous. Not too keen on those though. Here we are at the JORVIK Viking Centre. Down we go. So apparently it's all downstairs and it takes about an hour. Viking street level now. Whoa. Those are not Viking shoes. So there's a ride. Oh wow. Hey? What'd you say?
I've got a mic on actually. I've got a mic.
Oh yeah, you are.
Hi folks, Hi folks,
Meow. Our carriage awaits.
Okay folks.
Lovely, thank you.
No worries.
Oh, this is so strange. Ah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, but where's it?
Are you sure you're okay there?
Yeah, I'll be fine. Yeah. Oh. Jeez.
Going to take you
That
back
was
in time
hilarious.
to your
She just told us
Viking age.
to be careful of like the speakers we had. Kerry jumped in, cracked her head on.
I absolutely annihilated my head off it. My face is absolutely throbbing.
It was a busy place with people arriving from all over the Viking road to visit, trade, and settle. In this multicultural
Oh, look at his
society,
cloak.
people have different.
He's got a stole on his shoulder as well.
Possession. Remains of part of this Viking city found right here, and by carefully
Yeah, it's a stole,
piecing
it's a
together
fox
all
stole.
the archaeological evidence,
That wolf is low key creeping me out.
You can now visit the Viking age.
Why is it hissing? I don't like it.
You're supposed to be looking at the bloody clothes.
You have arrived.
I like his hat.
Ahead lies the city.
I should. So this is the kind of clothing that obviously the slaves wore. So I think we should dress you up as a wash lady. Should we dress you? We'll dress you up as a wash lady.
I'm a warrior. I'm actually on the boat.
Oh. Is he supposed to be eating that? It's not going into his mouth. What is it?
Eating a coal.
Oh, is it a comb? I didn't know it was a comb. Oh, it was some food. Ooh, why is he looking at us? Giving us the side eye.
We know the blacksmith was teaching his son how to sharpen a knife.
That's her husband. Well, who's that then? I don't know. I'm gonna make Tom some shoes like those. Minecraft. He does actually. That is quite scary. This one, on the other hand, definitely doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
No. Ooh, did you see him blink?
He found a wooden gun and lots of pieces made from the silver.
Kitty cat. Ah. Tom, inspo for your soapbox. You got to do the seagull. Has it got a seagull on it?
Oh, it's supposed to be a dragon in there.
I think you should incorporate the red, if you can do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody cat.
There's another cat. And cats everywhere. We're gonna run it over. Oh no. You need like some rope and stuff as well.
Based on a skull.
Ooh, look at the eels.
Later on, you'll see more real.
This is how I want you to make mine. From
What, on a
scratch.
loom?
Yeah. It's all got to be made from
Can't
scratch.
even see it, it's that dark in here. That is absolutely terrifying.
An important commercial street.
But yeah, that's how they made the fabrics. Hello, doggy.
Fingers on his hand to become pure. These people here are arguing about this one is based on one. You can see that she's walking with a crutch.
Do you want to just go in that outfit, babe?
No.
I might just make you that.
You can find out more about it in the galleries to come.
No.
No, you're the cabbage man on the market. He's actually meant to be on the toilet.
Really struggling to push that out.
This man doesn't look too happy to be discovered.
What do you think of that, babe?
That's not real bad.
It's not disgusting. The idea of it was so that it would replicate, obviously, everything of that time, and yeah, it was pretty rank.
Need sauce.
You do. Wow, that is old.
Pretty too. Yeah.
So this was actually a woman's silk cap. So I think Tom needs one.
That's what you're going to be wearing.
Shoes are banging. More shoes? They've got lots of shoes, haven't they? And they were made from leather. I like dolly shoes. Yeah. That's it. We've done, haven't we?
To be fair, there's some pretty cool stuff in there.
There is.
But we did come for inspiration for an outfit for me.
Like this, look.
Yeah.
Like that?
Nothing like that. He's wearing chainmail though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So all the inspiration we're going to get for this now is off this little picture that is outside.
Okay, done.
Because
it was an experience.
It
though.
was.
It was great.
we've got a ride.
Smashed my head on the ride. She did say, to be fair, she did say, mind your head, and then I forgot it seconds later and threw myself in.
I mean, there's some good artefacts in there. There is.
Yeah.
There's a few things I don't agree with, like digging up people's skeletons, putting them on show when you've been laid to rest. In my eyes, you're laid to rest, not to be disturbed and then shown to the world. I don't know. That's probably just me being a bit weird. I just looked at the remains of somebody and just thought to myself, I don't know, I sort of believe in souls and stuff like that, and I just feel like you're not going to be released. You're just on show.
Yeah, no, yeah. But from a textiles point of view, though, it was not all that helpful. But if you want to learn about Vikings in general, I would highly recommend it. It is very informative, just not from a clothing point of view. So, might have to just go to Google, I think, when we go. What did you say, Tom?
They didn't even sell meat.
Oh my god. Can't take you anywhere.
I'd rather not have gone.
Viking Tom cannot say that about the Viking Museum. Oh, don't start. You cheated. You've cheated. It's not fair if you set off before me. Can actually get a boat from here. Can hire a boat. Yeah. Oh wow. They're not bad, are they? Well, we've spent enough today. Not today. There's that beautiful bridge again. We're just about to go under there now, back to the car park. Tom just went, she's got Wagamamas.
Well, she's at least got the pots anyway. She's probably used them for a packed lunch.
Oh, the takeaway tubs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some of those. The big bowl ones are really handy.
Yeah, good for takeaways.
Good for, well, we like to put our leftovers, don't we?
Takeaways left. No,
Yeah. I
packed
wondered
lunches.
what you meant. I thought that didn't quite make sense. Oh, look at that really old
love
thing
this
over there. That old structure.
I was expecting to find it around me. It's not that old.
Well.
What structure? How'd it go?
Well, here we are. We're back at the car. So, yeah, that was a bit of
You managed to fix it.
a short but sweet kind of trip, really. Because we need to set off back so we don't end up hitting traffic. Because it could be quite bad if we leave it any later, really. So, yeah, well, that's it, really. Like I said, it was an experience. It was interesting, and we've had a nice day. But might have to just resort to the Tinterweb, I think. So I'll show you what I see in a little bit, and I'll do like a notion board and such and show you that. Day that we had in York. It's a little bit of a shame that I wasn't able to actually get what we went for from the JORVIK Viking Museum, but that's no reflection on the museum itself. That's just that it didn't have what I was specifically looking for, which is totally fine. York is a beautiful place. We will 100% be returning back to York because I think there was so much natural beauty, history, so many quaint little shops and such to look at. In case you're wondering, yes, my head is still sore. I really smashed it. I watched the clip back when I was editing, and like the sound on that is nowhere near as loud as what it was in the actual moment. It was really embarrassing because I don't know if you could tell from any of the other clips, but like the kind of carriage thing that you were sat in, there was a row behind you, so it wasn't just Tom and I, there was like 3 people sat directly behind me. So yeah, that was a little bit embarrassing, but never mind. It's sore. It hurts a lot, actually. Right there. Ooh. Anywho, from when we first got on that ride, there was actually a Viking warrior. It was like the only one right at the beginning where it had that really freaky wolf. I got a few good ideas from that. Tom has said that he would like to kind of go with the red. So we'll definitely incorporate the red in there somewhere. Listen, we're not going completely authentic here, guys. I'm not going to be making chainmail, but we are going to go with that red, I think. A cloak, a hat. If I am correct, I think they did wear like kind of like fur hats, woolly hats, as well as the helmets. Like Tom's already got one of those, but that won't be very safe at all for actually wearing whilst riding the soapbox. We'll probably, oh, saying that actually, it's going to be in the middle of August. Oh, that is a very good point. Okay, we're not going to go with a hat. Scrap the hat, no hat. It's going to be far too warm. Poor guy, he's going to be sweltering at this rate if we carry on with the plans that I had in mind. Inspiration. There's a programme on Netflix called Norseman that is really, really funny. And obviously it's about Vikings. And I've had quite a few good ideas from that programme. It's so funny. It is like a 15 or an 18. So if you are younger than that, don't watch it. If you are older than that, then feel free. So I was thinking of, because we're not going to go for like the full armour look necessarily. There is a lot of leather work in that and metal. And yes, I can't do that. I'm not a blacksmith. I can definitely incorporate a bit of leather though here and there. That would be quite cool. I do have some leather tools actually, like needles and for punching holes in and such like that. That could be quite useful. Viking clothing was crafted primarily from like wool, linen, and animal skins, obviously like leather and the fur. The men wore like tunics, trousers, cloaks, and they were fastened with brooches. Let's take a look at the mood board. So this is my mood board that I've made. I think I might add to it, but I just thought I'd show you where I'm up to with it for now. But I've gone ahead and done this on Milano, and I have to say, I mean, this is not sponsored by Milano, but I'm a little bit obsessed. I got really giddy when I logged into this. It has like a tutorial as well, so the moment you download it or the moment you log in, it gives you little prompts and it's so quick and easy, and within less than 1 minute I was already away with this board. So this is the Viking costume mood board, and as you can see, I've got some colours going on here, some very earthy green colours and then some more warm colours going on here, kind of autumnal. Really like the idea with the deep red tunic. As I said earlier, that Tom was quite keen on that sort of colour and style, so we'll definitely go ahead with that. And I'm thinking some sort of belt as well. I think that will be quite cool, some sort of leather belt, but this is what we've got so far. So now I've got some colour palettes going on and I've got some visuals now. I feel pretty confident that I'm starting to develop a bit of an idea now. Next on the agenda, we need to get some sketches done. We need to go out and get some stuff to actually sew together to make this outfit. Stay tuned, because at some point soon I am going to make a start on gathering all the things that we need to make this outfit. We're going to be going out on shopping trips. We're going to be experimenting with leather. I'm really excited for this project. I can't wait to get stuck in. I've also got something really, really interesting and exciting to share with you guys. Well, it is to me anyway, but I'm not going to show you on this vlog. I'm going to show you on another one. It might be next week's. I'm not too sure right now. And I keep looking at it. Don't forget that subscribing is totally free, and if you hit the notification button, then you're never going to miss a video. And also, liking videos is a free way of supporting your favourite creators. So if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to hit that like button. I would be incredibly grateful, and it is very good for helping the channel grow. My name is Kerry. You've been watching the Kerry Louise Edit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.